Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete hidden apps on iPhone. To delete hidden apps on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to firstly locate the hidden section on iPhone. So to locate the hidden apps, what do you have to do? You just have to swipe to the left side, swipe to the left. So once you swipe to the left, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down at the bottom right corner, you're going to see a blank square over there. I want you to tap on that blank space. Once you tap on the blank space, it will ask you to put in your password or your Face ID, and it will show you your hidden apps. As you can see, I have one app hidden already. So what do I need to do to delete this hidden app? I just have to tap and hold on the app that I want to delete. So let's tap and hold on the hidden app. So once you tap and hold on it, it will bring you some things. So it says delete app, don't require Face ID. We are here to delete this app. So just tap on delete app. So once you tap on delete apps, it will ask you for confirmation again. It will ask you, do you want to remove from home screen or you want to delete app? Because we are here to delete this app totally from our iPhone, we are still going to tap on delete app. So once you tap on this app will be deleted from your iPhone successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually delete hidden apps on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.